Kia ora, e te whānau, malo elele, talofa. Hope you're all having a good week. This short talk today is about motivation. I think we're all struggling with this from day to day. Do you feel like it's an uphill struggle with some real big curls that are going to be really hard to get over, some hurdles? Do you ever feel like, I just don't feel like doing it? Is that a common feeling or thought that you have? Is it really hard to reach your long-term goals? So this is a short talk to help motivate you to find some connection to why it's a good idea to get started on pursuing something towards a long-term goal for yourself. Whaia te iti kahurangi. Strive for something of great value. What is of great value to you? I wonder, take a moment to think about that. So our learning intentions of this short talk, Koranga Ako, to reflect on your values, what's important to you, and to set yourself a goal to work towards that will help you become your best self. So this is a short video, which I'm going to talk over, but you can watch the link on the slides afterwards. But is there ever a time when we will feel like doing it? Let's take a look. So now our minds are so clever, they can come up with an almost infinite number of reasons for us not to do the stuff that's really important. And one of the sneakiest reasons our minds will come up with this is I don't feel motivated, or I've got no motivation. So let's have a look at this. Because when you're saying I'm not motivated, or I don't have the motivation, what do you really mean? What most people mean when they say that is I don't feel in the mood. I don't have the energy. I don't feel good. I feel tired, anxious, depressed. When I feel like doing it, then I'll do it. But until I feel like doing it, I'm not going to do it. That's your idea of motivation, that you need to feel like doing it, feel in the mood, feel good, feel positive. That's going to keep you really stuck in life. That's going to keep you stuck in that comfort zone, waiting until the day that you feel really good, positive and motivated before you step out of the comfort zone. So what I'm encouraging you to do in this program is to find a different source of motivation. Rather than relying on your feelings, use your values. Let your values be your motivation. I'm going to do what's important to my heart, living my values, because that's what matters to me. That's the sort of person I want to be. That's what I want to stand for in life. Let your values motivate you. So even if you don't feel like doing it, even if you feel really tired or stressed or anxious or miserable, you can still do what matters. So what are your values and what's important to you in life? If you're not sure, ask a friend or family member who knows you well. Or think about what makes you angry. This usually is an indicator that one of our values has been crossed. So here's a list of values. What I'd like you to do now is you can maybe pause the video, but have a look at all 30. Are there 5 values in there, your top 5, that would really speak to you, that are important to you, that you would feel angry about if somebody really crossed that value for you? There's also a link over here. This takes you to a document which has got some more values cards and with some little descriptions around what each value means. So have a look at this link in the slides also if you would like some further information about values. So take a moment to think about this question. Who do I want to be at the end of this year, next year? Where do I want to be in 5 years? Try and picture yourself. The art of this motivation exercise today is visualization. So I'm going to talk to you about vision boards. Step 1. Can you imagine what your best self would look like? Step 2. What goals are going to help you become that person? Step 3. What actions are going to help you achieve those goals? Step 4. What values are you going to need to use? And step 5. Can you gather images and quotes that will help you achieve this? Clark Kedgley, he's a bit of a motivation speaker. He has got this YouTube video which talks about how he made his digital vision board. You can make digital vision boards from Google Slides or Google Docs, or you can make a vision board out of some card or some paper, glue, scissors, old magazines, whatever you want to do. But have a look at this video and see what he says about how to make a vision board. So set your goal, make a plan, get to work, stick to it, and you'll reach your goal. Sometimes you might need to look at SMART goals. You've probably seen these before. Specific. What do you want to do? Make it really specific. Can you measure it? How will you know when you've reached it? Is it achievable? Have you actually got the power to accomplish it? Is it realistic for you to achieve it? And is it timely? In other words, when exactly do you want to accomplish this? So have a think about that. And grit, passion and perseverance to reach your long-term goals. Passion, what do I care about? What's important to me? How can I use this to reach my goal? Perseverance, believe in yourself that you can do this even when you don't feel like it, because you've done it before. And you have strategies that have helped. And you have people who can help you. You are gritty. You can do this. Just ask for help and connect with what you're passionate about. So what are your planks of motivation going to be? There's a gap between where you are and your goal. And we call this gap the motivation bridge. So let's have a look. What will your planks of motivation be? I can visualize what I want in my future. I can identify my values. I know what's important to me. I want to live and connect with my values and my heart. I want to be true to myself. I believe I can achieve my goals. I have people and strategies who can help me. So, Peyaru, I need to success criteria. I have reflected on my values and know what's important to me. I have set myself a goal and I'm committed to making a start. Think about your vision board. It's a fun thing to do. Even if it means you go off timetable for half a day, just if it means in the long run it's going to motivate you, just do it. Dream. It's okay to dream. In fact, it's really good to dream. I hope you enjoy making your vision board. I hope you have fun thinking about your values and have a great day. Kia pai tora.